Greetings, brothers and sisters. Are you craving for some delicious snacks? In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easy way to cook mouth-watering tuna nuggets. Stay tuned. But before we dive into our cooking tutorial, I kindly request you to watch my video from start to finish. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest video. Your support means a lot to me. Let's start. Trim both ends of the carrots. Peel after. Chop garlic into small pieces. Grate carrots into julienne strips. Then, chop julienne strips into small. Repeat the same process with the remaining carrots. Chop onion into small pieces. Add 2 cans tuna. Mix to combine all ingredients. Add 2 cups of flour, or less if you prefer. Mix to incorporate. Grate nor cube to taste. Pour cooking oil. Checking if the oil is hot enough. Let's scoop in to see the mixture. As soon as they start browning, take them out of the pan and set them aside. Repeat the same process with the remaining ingredients.